Hello, how are you doing? Hello, hi, how are you doing? Okay, today the stocks that I'll talk about, I'll make a portfolio and you'll be खुश आप आज आप खुश हो जाएंगे क्योंकि क्या होता है every time I talk about stocks and there are different kinds of stocks. So what happens is you have to decide whether you can buy or not buy or whatever. We discuss stocks, okay, that is also not bad. But what I'll do today is that I'll suggest some stocks, and please, this is for informational purposes, and all discretion has to be used. You have to talk to your advisor, and you have to look at your profile, your portfolio, and the money that you can put in. Everything has to be kept in mind. We are investing money, so we have to be serious. But that doesn't mean that we get scared. Okay, so now because I'm not your advisor, okay, so you can make me and my team your advisor by opening your demat account with by using the links in the description box, or you can call me if you want to know more about opening an account. IIFL and HDFC Securities, with both you can open your account. Okay, so me and my team will make your portfolio and will handle your portfolio. We'll advise you on stocks. Okay, so now today I'll talk about some stocks, which these are some we have this rally in which almost most of the stocks, and in fact all of the stocks, are doing well. Okay, now it is difficult to pick and choose what to buy, what not to buy. Okay, so SMA, feeling of left out wala hai, FOMO hai, because there are some stocks which are very cheap actually, and you're thinking, oh my god, if I would have bought this stock a month back, or say 2 months back, I would have made a lot of money, because that stock is still 70 rupees, but that stock has multiplied, it has gone up like crazy, and the fundamentals are also good. The quarter 4 results were also good, quarter 1 results were also good. So now you're wondering, oh my god, what to do, and I have not bought this stock. So today I'll talk about one, two, three, four, five, 6 such stocks, and I'll just talk about them quickly because I can't go in detail with so many stocks. Apart from that, I'll mention some idhar udhar se stocks, which and all these stocks which I'm talking about are good. Okay, so we'll start with some stocks which you can buy because they are still cheap. They have made a lot of money and they are still cheap, and there is still some upside left in them, because most of the stocks, they have rallied, but then you're like, oh, valuation is now up. If a correction happens, like we saw a correction happened immediately after that bump, that jump, and then you have to wait, वापस उस प्राइस पे जाए, then उसके ऊपर जाए. Now these are some stocks which are still buys. Okay, someone was asking me what I keep writing in between. So what I do is that I make some notes, and of course there's many pop-ups which appear on my screen, which are useful for my other work. So I keep noting them down, which I'll look into after I'm over with this live. Okay, so the first stock which I'm going to talk about is Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, now it's 3-4 banks. Okay, now we all have HDFCs, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, even Bandhan Bank, but these are some banks which we don't have, and they have actually started doing well. Actually, a year back, a year and a half back, somebody who bought it, they actually are very intelligent people. So they have seen a big rally, and there's still some upside left. So first stock is Bank of Maharashtra. Today this stock is at 45 rupees. So that small trading, if you want to do, you want to put in say 10k or something, and just to so that FOMO feeling is not there. In every day we see new stocks are coming up. Today, like GMM Fodler is up, CRM Silks is up, Sequent Scientific Pharma stocks mein rally hai, Strides Pharma is up, IOB, UCO Bank. So you're like, oh my god, and that itch is there. Oh, we have 5k. If I want to make some money on this 5k or 10k. So these are some of the ideas which you can probably use. Okay, so the Bank of Maharashtra, this stock, and this is actually a good stock. 45 rupees is the price today. Yesterday it was at 42 rupees. Okay, when I was looking at it, and and ROC is 4.44 on a bank's ROC ऐसे ही है. So according to banks it is good, and return on equity is 17.4%. Okay, face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Now if I look at the chart, then in the last 1 year this has from 19 rupees in last September to this current level 45 rupees. Okay, and it is backed by volumes. Okay, banks are really doing well. Bank Nifty is up also, and in fact today both Nifty and both Sensex opened at record highs. There's some construction work happening in my locality, just in the next plot. There's so much of noise. Okay, so Bank of Maharashtra we were talking about. ROC is 4.4%, and it is in the median. It's up there, and there are other banks also which I'll discuss. Okay, so I will just do it quickly. If I look at the quarterly results, the net profit is up. Okay, if 841 crore rupees was the net profit in March 2023, and now this June it reported 884 crore rupees profit, and the profit has been consistently going up. Okay, in last quarter it was, this quarter one was 453 crore rupees. So from there, so from quarter on quarter, year on year also, the profit has really jumped. If I look at the annual thing, the net profit has gone up from 2,605 crore rupees to 3,036 crore rupees TTM. Okay, return on equity is 11% for the last 3 years and 17% for the last year. If I look at the shareholding pattern, then 86% is with the promoters, which is the government. Okay, so Bank of Maharashtra is an excellent stock. I am going to buy this stock. Because I was busy buying other stocks also, and actually like everyone else I am also ये खरीदूं वो खरीदूं क्या खरीदूं. Okay, the next stock is one of its peers, PNB Bank. I think many people have bought this PNB thing. People I know, they have bought, and they have been in profits. Now this stock is 74 rupees. It is up 0.56% today. ROC is 4.1 and ROE is 3.34. Okay. If I look at the chart is going up. It has a good, beautiful chart. Last September, the stock was at 40 rupees. It went up to say 59 rupees in December. Then it dipped a little bit, but now it is up there. Even this has some upside left. So those 5k, 10k, 50k, you can use these stocks. Peer comparison, it is 4.11 is the ROCE, and the last one had 4.5 na. Yeah, so this is also a good option. Quarterly results, if I look at, net profit has actually come down from 1,876 crore rupees to 1,363 crore rupees, but it has gone up if we look at the overall picture. If we look at say December 2022, September 2022, June 2020, March 2022, so and year on year it has definitely gone up from 3,359 crore rupees. Now this is net profit to 4,450 crore rupees. Return on equity is 4%, 3% and all that, but this doesn't tell the story of this stock definitely. Okay, shareholding pattern, 73% is with the promoters. Next are the DIIs with 13.44%. Public has around 12%. The next one is also a bank. Bank Nifty still has upside left. Bank Nifty ka upside which people are watching at, experts are watching at, is around 46,400. So 46,151 it opened at today at this level. And the experts are looking at the charts are actually also telling. I wrote somewhere, I made my notes actually. 46,400, 500 something. Okay, so where were we? We were at Canara Bank. So the third option is Canara Bank. Okay, Canara Bank is little expensive. It is 365 rupees. This can be a long-term bet. In fact, actually, even Bank of Maharashtra and even BNB, ROC, मैं ऐसे stocks तो बोलती ही नहीं हूँ which are short, very short term. Canara Bank is today at 365. ROE is around ROC is around 5.3% and ROE is 14.8%. If you look at the chart, last September, this was at say around 252, and it is at this level today, 365, and it has been consistently backed by volumes. Participants Bank Nifty rally. This has been really doing well, and the management is also pretty confident about the deposits have gone up, their loans have gone up, the loan book has become strong. I remember I heard the interview. Okay, now ROCE is around 5.33%. It is better than actually most of its peers. In fact, even better than State Bank of India. Okay, if I look at the quarterly results, then net profits have gone up from 3,364 crore rupees to 3,755 crore rupees, and that was quarter on quarter, and year on year. This is a bigger bank than the last two banks which I discussed. The net profit is around year on year 11,000, from 11,345 crore rupees to 12,906 crore rupees. So this is this can be a long term bet. So if you have that some money left to invest, you can invest in this. So this is itself a portfolio. Okay, it's not that it only has bank stocks. In 3 years it has given 10% of return on equity, and last year 15%. If I look at the shareholding pattern, then 62.9, 63% is with the promoters. इससे अच्छी बात हो ही नहीं सकती. DIIs have 16% of stake, and the rest 12% is with the public, and FIIs have 9%. So FIIs have increased their investment in Canara Bank. It has actually gone up. Okay, the next one is a very heavy duty expensive stock. It's Dixon Technologies. It's 5,556 rupees today, down 0.43%. But why I'm talking about this stock is because this is a very good stock still. It is very expensive, but I agree. But its target is 5,670 rupees is the target, right? Yeah, what did I write here? Okay, so it has 5,670 is the target, and they are now. What is the reason why? They are actually into this IT thing and all that. They're into a lot of things. So IT hardware PLI, this new which is being announced, is it is one of the beneficiary of that. There were many applications for that. This company is one of the beneficiary, and it also is hiring 75,000 people. And for now it is also getting into laptops and tablets for development with a big brand. Now this big brand they have not announced yet. It is one of the top 3 companies. The management was not talking. He was not taking the name. He said, I'll announce in a month or so. So they are now collaborating with a big company to make this hardware and all that for laptops and tablets. So this is a large opportunity on which they are sitting. They have been working with Acer, which makes laptops and all, for last 18 months. And this company is, the management was speaking about it, that 1,800 crore phones to be made by them by March, April 2024. So that's why this was a new, just recent 2-3 days back press conference in which they were talking. uh, Mobile segment we know is likely to grow further, and Nokia, Xiaomi are the clients, and it will have a good opportunity with them also. Okay, so and Jio Bharat is also their client, and with them 1600 to 1800 crore rupees revenue they are expecting by March 2024. Okay, so now these top brands which HP, Dell और Lenovo में से एक है. Okay, this they will announce in this coming month. That is what the management was saying. So that is why I thought I'll include Dixon Technologies. If you have some 25k or something 50k or some 1 lakh or something, you can go for this stock. ROC of the company is 24.2%. ROE is around 22.4%. We know Dixon Technologies is a good stock, and it came down because the tech stocks were down. So probably this may be the right time to buy it. Actually, the right time was in February 27, 2021. 2021 was the price at that time. It dipped and then it again rose. So actually that was the time to buy. But tech stocks people were just running away from. Overall, the company has reduced debt and it has delivered a good profit growth of 33.3% of CAGR in the last 5 years. If I compare with the peers, its ROC is one of the best, 24.18. And quarterly results, its net profit came down from 81 crore rupees to 67 crore rupees quarter on quarter, and year on year, the profit was up from 255 crore rupees to 277 crore rupees year on year. And before that, prior to that, 2021, now this is a year on year thing, net profit was 160 crore rupees. 2022, it was around 190 crore rupees and 23%. So the profit has been really consistently going up. We know Dixon is a good stock. So can we buy it still? Yes, you can. Return on equity is 23%, 22%, early 20s. Okay, if I look at the shareholding pattern, then 34% is with the promoters, which is the highest. 24% is the next. 26% is with the public. 24% is with DIIs. 15% is with the FIIs. So Dixon Tech is a buy. The next stock which I'm going to talk about is Mishra Dhatu. Okay, we all remember Chandrayaan. We all know Aditya L1 is coming. We all know Gaganyaan is happening. And Mishra Dhatu is one of the companies which is helping making alloys and all these things for ISRO. It has been associated with ISRO since the beginning. So this stock is today at 421 rupees, 2.45% already up ho gaya hai. Probably you can wait for it to come down a little bit. So this stock you can buy. They have a huge order book. I have not mentioned here. They are sitting on a huge order book and they are waiting for some nods. But they are into this Aditya L1 thing. They are also in this. That's my daughter. And then they are also into this Gaganyaan thing. So all the projects of the ISRO. Okay. So ROC of the company is 14.6%. ROE is around 12.6%. And if you look at the chart, this has from 203 last year exactly today to today's level of around 421, and it's backed by volume. So if you are a believer in space stocks and all that, you can definitely invest in this stock. ROC, if I compare with the peers, it's 14.64%, which is giving takkar to say NMDC, Sham Metallics, Godavari Power का ज़्यादा है. Okay, so this is a good stock. Okay, quarterly results, if I look at, the net profit has actually come down quarter on quarter from 66 crore rupees to 19 crore rupees. But if I look at the year on year thing, then it has just gone up by 1 crore rupees from 156 crore rupees to 157 crore rupees. That is TTM. We are still awaiting the thing, which is likely to go up after this Chandrayaan success. And Aditya L1 thing is also done. and they are now into many other space programs with ISRO. Okay, so this is a good stock. This you can keep for buy, keep. Shareholding pattern 74% is with the promoters. Okay, so this was Mishra Dhatu, and this is also a reasonable kind of a stock. And how can I forget a sugar stock? So Balrampur Chini is my last stock today. There are others also with with this sugar story and the ethanol blending story and the biofuel alliance discussed by the PM in this G20 thing. So these stocks are on a high, we know that. So Sri Renuka is also there. There's one more stock, I'm not remembering the name. So this Balrampur Chini, 441 is the price today. I'm talking about it today. Others are also similar. ROC of the company is around 10.4%. ROE is around 10%. Okay, if I look at the chart, it's up and down, but now there is a momentum in these stocks. We all know that, because of this. And they have actually done superbly well. I mean, they are like giving participating in the rally and climbing up to 5 to 10% in a single session or 2-3 sessions combined together. Okay, peer comparison if I do, then its ROC is around 10.42%. And now if I talk about the peers, Dalmia Bharat Sugar is also good. Actually, it has got an order today. So Dalmia Bharat has around 12.17%. That is also a good stock. And Triveni Engineering is there, and Sri Renuka, which has 9.41%. So Balrampur Chini is, you can say, in the middle. Okay, quarterly results, if I look at the net profit has come down from 254 crore rupees quarter on quarter to 74 crore rupees, but year on year if you look at it, then from 284 crore rupees to TTM, this is 345 crore rupees, the profit have gone up. If I look at consistently for the last say 5 years, its profits have gone up consistently. 2018 it was 232 crore rupees and now it is 345 crore rupees. So in 5 years the net profit has really jumped. Return on equity is around 10 to 15%. Between this it varies. Last 3 years it was 15%. Last year it was around 10%. Okay, if I look at the shareholding pattern, promoters have 43% of stake in the company. The next highest is the public, 22%, and the next are DIIs, 21%. FIIs have 13.67% of stake in the company. Okay, so this was Balrampur Chini. So this is a complete set of some stocks which you can buy in this rally. Please use your discretion and also what your needs. Otherwise, there are lots of stocks that in this rally which are doing well. And Balrampur Chini ka to 475 is the target. Is the target for Balrampur Chini. Okay, so now this is a set. There are many other such stocks, but I thought I'll make some stuff. And initial 3, the bank stocks, they were really 45, 74 rupees. They're really cheap also. So you feel good also buying them. IDFC Bank stock is also one such stock. Okay, so this is where I end my live because my daughter is roaming around everywhere and I can hear her cartoon also. So I'll just wrap up this live here. I hope you like it. I'll talk about such stocks also. It's interesting, right? Please let me know if this was interesting live. Which stocks which are for that not to feel that FOMO that I'm missing out. My God, every day the market is rallying, is running away. People are making money. I am not making money. You should not get that feeling. So there are many other such SJVN has also been on a high. Its new target is 72 rupees. There are actually many, and some of them are really good stocks. It's not a froth or something like that. They're really good. Their time has come, so to say. Okay, so I'll wrap up this live here. We'll talk about such more stocks in my next live. And if I'm not able to do a live, I'll make a video. Yeah, happy Ganpati to everyone. Monday, Tuesday is Ganpati. So happy Ganesha to everyone. May Vignaharta bring lots of money, prosperity, and ये मार्केट के रास्ते में से विघ्न हटा दें और आगे आगे जाने के लिए. Okay, so I'll see you again, and stay positive about the India story. And if you don't have a Demat account, please open your Demat account and start investing now. So take care, have a great day, have a great weekend. Bye.